Okay, hello everyone. This video is going to walk you through the continuation strategy that I use for trading crypto on the 15-minute time frame. So I'm looking here at a trade that I took recently, and I want to walk you through the steps that told me to enter, what my stop loss was, what my take profit was, and ultimately how it went, which is good. So I am looking for, in this case, a long trade, and I'm looking for the 50, this green line, the 50 EMA to be above the 200. And I'm waiting for the price to retest this 50 EMA, bounce off it, and then I'm going to enter on the close of the very next no wick green candle. So for the hours that I was awake and alert to this market, you can see here the price was bouncing around. The 50 is below the 200, not interested. Now it's above. Now I'm starting to get interested. If I'd been alert, I could have entered here. And the reason why this one's good is you see the 50 is above the 200, you've come down, it's gotten rejected off this 50, bounced off, close of a no wick candle, and it's pretty clear whether you took the 50 or the 200 EMA as your stop loss, you would have made 2 to 1 very easily. But where did I end? So I waited a bit longer. I saw this break the 50, got a bit nervous, so I hesitated, waited. You see here it goes down again, retest, bounces, and this no wick green candle is where I decided to enter. So here you can see I'm looking at a 2 to 1 or a 1 to 2, sorry, risk to reward. I place my stop loss just below the 50 EMA at that point, or pretty much bang on the 50 EMA for that candle. And my take profit is 2 to 1. And you'll see here I waited and waited. I actually was asleep for most of this. I wake up and in the morning-ish, 8:15, the market has moved, hit my take profit, and now it's slowly going back down. So to recap, you're looking for the price to be above the 50 EMA. You need the 50 EMA to be above the 200. You want to retest of that 50, and then you enter on the close of the very next no wick green candle. That's for a long trade. Take profit is 2 to 1. Stop loss is either the 50 EMA or the 200, whichever you feel is, I guess, most optimistic. You don't want to be too cautious because otherwise it will never hit your take profit. So that's what it looks like for a long trade. And then if I show you here on Bitcoin, this is going back a few days because the market is surging right now. You can see here you're looking for the opposite. You need the 50 EMA to be below the 200. I was looking for a retest. You see this, it tries to rise up, retest, fails, falls, and here's your no wick red candle this time. You want to enter on the close of that would be here. Your stop loss is at 50, and you hopefully will get 2 to 1 fairly quickly. Here you are waiting maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours, and you've already hit your 2 to 1. So hopefully that makes sense to everyone. Using only the 50 EMA, the 200 EMA, and Heikin Ashi candles, you can easily spot opportunities for continuation trades on crypto at 15 minutes. Hopefully that's helpful. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll continue making videos based on what you guys want. Thank you very much.